In this video, I wanted you to see the Premiere Pro files that are created while you are creating a project in Premiere Pro. Go into your folder and you'll see that a .prn will be created. The title of yours will be the title of what your project is. And there's also a folder for autosaves. If we open that up, you'll see all of the autosaves. Now, these will save your life if something goes wrong with your Premiere Pro project. Autosaves have saved my life as well. If you mess up at some point in your project, you delete it for some reason, you close it and you don't save it, or you close it and it doesn't save correctly, you can go to the autosaves here. Click on the last one. It will open up a Premiere Pro project. If that's not the one that you wanted, go to the next one up and so on. But you don't want to delete anything that Premiere Pro creates. Another aspect I wanted to pass by you is this. If you are to delete any of these images out of the folder, but they're already inside of the project bin or inside of your timeline, watch what happens. So we're using this image. If I take that image and put it over here, watch what Premiere Pro is going to do when I click back on it. You're going to get a missing media for these clips. This is going to happen to you eventually. So you want to know what to do if this happens. So if you don't want that clip anymore, you can click on cancel and you'll go right into your project and keep working. But if you want that image in there, so this is what you got to do. You got to put the image back in the folder, click on locate, go to your desktop, find the folder that you're working in. Let's open that up. And then click on the image that it's missing. And then click on OK. And then you're good to go again.